Welcome to all. Hello, welcome to my next video, and the topic of this video is Inside Our Earth, SST of class 7th. In this topic, we will study or learn about layers of the earth. The first layer is crust, mantle and core. In the next, we will learn rocks, types of rocks, igneous, sedimentary and metamorphic rocks. So, let us start. Okay. In the previous video, I explained that Earth is made up of rocks and minerals. For this, Earth has layers and so many layers inside. Did you know that who study the Earth? Who study the Earth? The geologists. Geologists are the scientists who study the Earth. Geologists have gone down up to 10 to 12 kilometers beneath the Earth's surface. Geologists study seismic waves that happen beneath the Earth. They learn about Earth's interior surface. Seismic waves are the vibrations generated by earthquake or the other vibrations. These seismic waves traveling through different layers of the earth. Did you know that how we measure these seismic waves or vibrations? With the help of seismograph, we can detect the waves or vibrations inside the earth or beneath the earth. We can also display the result on a graph with the help of seismograph. In this beginning of this topic, I tell you that Earth is made up of three distinct layers, that is crust, mantle, core. Now, it is very difficult to explain in one sentence of these layers, but we need to understand the basic knowledge of these layers. The first layer is crust. It is the outermost layer of the earth. It is a very thin layer, consists of rocks and minerals. Did you see the boiled egg? We can easily understand with the example of boiled egg, or you can take an apple. Cut the apple and you can easily find out the layers of the earth with the help of apple. Okay, so a boiled egg is like that only. The outermost layer is crust because it is very thin. Then the inner whiter part is mantle and the yellow portion is called core, that are divided into two cores. The first is liquid outer core and the solid inner core. If you finding it, the layers are how the layers we can understand. If you are finding it difficult to remember the layers of the earth, let us do the simple activity. We can take an apple, take a slice, and you can show inside that the three things are here in the apple. You will notice that an apple has different layers. There is a small core in the center which has seeds. A thick layer is in the middle and the outermost layer is in the skin of the apple, which is very thin. So, as per this apple, we can easily understand the layers of the earth, that is crust. So the crust is the outermost layer of the apple. Okay, the white portion, the middle part is the mantle part. Okay, and the inside, the seeds part is the core part of the apple. So with the help of apple, you can easily better understand the layers of the earth. So the thinnest part of this layer are under oceans, which are about 5 kilometers. Means this is, we are talking about the crust. So the crust is the thinnest part of this layer and under the oceans, which are about 5 kilometers. The main minerals are silica and magnesium. And the next layer is mantle. It is just beneath the earth's crust, just next to the earth's crust. This is the layer where most of the internal heat of earth exists. This layer is about 2900 kilometers thick. So finally, we reach the last layer, that is core. The core layer is divided basically two outermost core layers. The first is liquid outer core and the second is solid inner core. As I have already draw a diagram, the most inner part is of solid inner core and this part is of liquid outer core and this part is the mantle, and this sleek layer from the beginning is crust. The inner core is extremely dense sphere and the outer core is the approx 2300 kilometers thick. Or if we are talking about the inner core layer, it approx 1200 kilometers thick. The inner core is extremely dense sphere and it contains largely heaviest elements like iron and nickel. The temperature is more than 5430 degrees Celsius. We can't imagine because normally the water boils at 100 degrees, but the temperature of this surface is extremely dense. So we can say how the hot this layer from the beneath side. So these are the three layers that exist inside the earth. The outer core contains mainly nickel and iron alloy. So both cores have extremely high pressure. So these are the three main layers that exist inside the earth. We just understand what are the rock. We need to understand the content rock. Rock are the combinations of one or more minerals found in the nature. One of the example of rock is granite. So the granite is an example of minerals or combination of rocks. It is composed of 5 minerals. And another example is limestone. The limestone is composed mainly 1 mineral. So you know who will find out all these things? Are geologists who never ever tried to study about the earth. So they divided rocks in 3 categories: the igneous rock, sedimentary rock and metamorphic rock. In the next video, we will discuss igneous, sedimentary and metamorphic rock. Thank you so much.